lunch at Molto Trattoria here on 5th Avenue in Naples. It's one of our favorite places to go, and especially at lunchtime when it's not too crowded. This cool lamp over here. It's like a giant lamp. At night, they light up that lamp. So here at Molto, we started with I think it was called Frutita Misto. I could be wrong about that. And I didn't think to video it until after we got halfway through. It is calamari and shrimp that is sort of deep fried, delicious, everything to perfection. So it's just a nice Saturday afternoon. And here we are. I'm starting with an Aperol Spritz. And my dining partner, my sweetheart, what are you drinking?
I would be having an iced tea this afternoon.
So he's having iced tea. Too much drinking the night before. So next we are having a margarita pizza, just as they do it in Italy. And we've had them here at this restaurant before. They are so delicious. Are you excited to try this?
I am so excited to try this. You'll notice that in different areas, margarita pizzas have different formulas. In France, margarita pizza come with olives on them. And here in Naples, beautiful Naples, Florida, it comes with just a single little leaf of that and a tomato sauce.
Of basil, that is. A single leaf of basil.
Single leaf of basil. Here in Naples, it comes with a single leaf of basil. So everybody has a different recipe for it, but this looks delicious. And here at Molto's is the murals done by Marcus Zauder, an artist here in Naples who does wonderful work.
Naples is known for fancy cars. You never know what kind of car you're going to find on the street. And this one just pulled up outside of the restaurant where we were having lunch. So this is quite a beauty, isn't it? And there it is. Lamborghini. Lovely. Wouldn't you like to have one of those in your driveway? Me too.
All year long I've been keeping track.
Today we're gonna check out 6th Avenue. Sort of some pre-Christmas shopping. Just see what's hot, what's not.
That I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's.
Some really cool sneakers for men. Look at those. Valentino. I'm not sure I've ever seen Valentino. It's Christian Dior. I'm not crazy about Christian Dior's style. Or maybe you're more of a Burberry person. Pretty cool. Oh, look at these. Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, look at these. These are great for men. Dolce & Gabbana sneakers. So, little did I know, Jeff is actually doing some early Christmas shopping. Just told me we are going to buy some extravagant shoe while we're here. What a surprise. Unexpected. I was just coming here to shoot a video. These are great. I wonder if Jeff would like a pair of Dolce & Gabbana sneakers. Wow, look at that. Cool. Look at these Manolo Blancas. These are gorgeous.
around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see.
Cute.
That is
Just
very
like that, we
cute.
just got them in stock. Yeah, we just got those in stock.
Oops. Nice stocking stuff, don't you think?
No, I think we're leaving today with a pair of shoes.
So, and this is the Chanel boutique over there with all the other accessories here at Saks Fifth Avenue. Okay, now here we are at Chanel. Chanel sneakers. But I can't.
It's not a pencil heel.
But I'm not sure that I would wear these as often. They're beautiful.
I don't know. You seem like the type of person that would wear glitter a lot. It even goes with your hair.
They are pretty.
They'll check them.
Okay, here are more Chanel. Look at these. I do love sparkly shoes, but those heels are too short for me. That is spectacular. I have to look at it again. And what was the price on this one? Nice. Some more Chanel. Oh, look at the loafers. I never think of loafers when I think of Chanel. Okay, here is a very nice pair of Chanel shoes. Those are gorgeous. They don't have the cool heel like the Dolce & Gabbana, but they are very, very nice. I have to try them on. Okay, so my shoe salesman friend Kevin just brought me these. They're pretty cool. I just think that they are kind of high. I want to say they look like stripper shoes, but I don't know. To say stripper shoes and Chanel seems sort of strange. Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming. Well, looks like I need a manicure to go with these shoes now.
You're worrying about falling. You gotta make them tighter with the snug on your foot, huh?
Say that again.
These shoes that our salesman Kevin found for us. He knows shoes, and this is winning the lottery in a high-end shoe. This is a perfect shoe, comfortable, that has all the Chanel branding you've ever wanted. Perfect shoe for you.
This is like you're the world's best husband. I have found the perfect tree.
And how did your shopping experience go today?
It was fantastic.
Did?
Unexpected surprise.
And did you find a pair of shoes that are fashionable and comfortable?
Yes, unbelievable. But it's my Christmas present.
Okay.
I have to pretend I'm surprised when I get it.
So don't tell anybody. Shh, just us, just our secret.
Happy holidays, everybody. And thanks so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget, look below my video, click on the icon to subscribe, click that little bell so you get a notice every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks again. See you next time.